This is the Goodfella, aka the Goodfellow crusher gearbox. It's the heavy-duty muscle behind the most productive rock crushing plants in the country. These Goodfellow crusher drives are built for the quarry, but the constant vibration and abrasive stone dust are a deadly combination. Eventually, seals fail, bearings seize, and your production line grinds to a halt. At Specialty Gear Drives, we know exactly what these Goodfellow units need. We start with a full teardown and deep chemical cleaning to see exactly where the stress is hiding. We replace the internals with high-capacity bearings designed for extreme loads. And if your gears are chewed up, our in-house manufacturing team cuts precision match replacements that are often tougher than the originals. We restore the housing, remesh the gears to perfect tolerances, and finish it with a protective industrial coating. It's not just fixed, it's rebuilt to outlast the competition. Get your crusher back in the dirt. We offer a 24-month warranty and free freight nationwide. Call Specialty Gear Drives today.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.
Got your gear.